What is going on, everybody? Too Much Gamer. Welcome back to the channel here today. And today we've got Nickelodeon Nicktoons MLB here today. I'm trying this on the channel. I wanted to see if my voice was good, and we are back in action, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Alright, so we got first out of 5 innings here. So, alright, she's throwing us everything we got. Okay, fouled again. So we only have 5 innings. We cannot lose our first game of the season. Are you kidding me? Really? Danny? You're going to do this with a comeback kid? So if you guys want more of this to the channel, can we get this video up to possibly maybe 3 to 4 likes? Oh, yeah, just go back. Whatever, just go back. Alright. So yeah, I haven't played this game in a long time. Patrick, you gotta hit power, my boy. Wow, we let him get to us, and here comes the sonic booms. And they're already off to a good start. That is bull. Are you kidding me? We let the bread man get to our base first. Wow, that's just ridiculous. Serious? SpongeBob? Are you actually kidding me? How is this happening? Oh, God, a yak. Oh, crap. Uh-oh. Yeah. Nice try there, buddy. I'm sorry. Oh, my gosh. And the home team scores a home run, and they get up 1, possibly, no, 3-0. That's worse than 1-0. Okay. Thought I'd get him with that screwball, but it didn't work. Let's get him with the knuckle. Nice! Get him out. I'm really not feeling it in this game, guys. I really don't know. We're down 3-0. We need to come back with something good. And it doesn't look like our pitching is doing pretty good, too. You told him not to swing at that, you kiki. Are you serious? Are you serious? Come on, Lee. What's wrong with you? Lee, come on. We're already down 3-0 as it is. I hate how he just hits it. It gets me nervous when the other opponents hit it. It's like, okay, what's Larry Lobster going to do? See if we can hit him with the knuckle. Or don't hit him with the knuckle. Let's see if we can hit him with the screwball. You serious? Let's hit him with another one. Good night. There we go. Let's end this inning. Let's get back in this game, guys. Good night. Bye. We're going to use all 3 of our power-ups. Hopefully we win it. Oh, that one hit pretty hard. 3-1, we're coming back. We're tying this game. We're tying this game. You son of a bitch. You did not just do that to me. Yes, never mind. You did good. You did very good. Never mind. I take back what I said. Very good. It's very good. Alright. Good night. Tie it. Tie it. Tie it. Yeah. There we go. We're back in the game, and they got a new pitcher. SpongeBob, you need to do your job. You know what you got to do, SpongeBob? There you go, buddy. Nope, just stay up first. Stay up first. Stay up first. Don't take no chances. We're tied. It's not taking any chances, knowing that we have possibly 3 innings left. No, it's fouled. Come on. Really? Woo! Oh boy. He's safe. They're all safe. Yeah, they are safe. That's fair. Oh, SpongeBob got out. I'm sorry. I thought, okay. I guess they got SpongeBob out, but we were safe at first. Oh, you cheeky bastard. Did not just do that to me right there, buddy. He contacted. Oh, no. We got him out. I'm not that dumb. Not that dumb. Oh, this is out. All right. So Sonic Booms are trying to come back. We got to give them something to go at. We got to give them something to chase. Nice job. Also, guys, I am going to be coming back with L.A. Nora. That'll be a new series coming to the channel. Patrick! Patrick. Out of all the things you could have done. What? I don't... Oh my god, we're gonna let him score. No. We can't let him score. We can't let him score. That's the one thing we cannot let him do. After I say that, we let him score. Are we dumb? Are you fucking serious? Are you actually kidding me right now? I shouldn't have done that. Oh, screw it. I don't care. I don't care. Get out of here. You're not making it 6-3 in my ball game. Nice. Would that horn just stop coming off? All right, Patrick, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to hit this. Oh, even the star can't even do anything. Oh, never mind. Hold on. I might take that back. I take it back, Patrick. You've redeemed yourself. You have redeemed yourself from that. Good job, Patrick Star. That is a beautiful, beautiful thing. We're down by 1, guys. We need to just... Wow. Really? You're gonna let... Alright. That was way too early. Seriously? And she's frustrated. I put all my best hitters first. Come on, buddy. This is it, guys. Bottom of the 3rd inning. We're not winning this. We're not winning this game. We're not winning this game. First game of the season, we're already gonna mess SpongeBob, I swear. I was gonna be like, man, if you mess up now, you done. Are you actually kidding me right now? You are trash. Why? Why do you gotta screw me over like that? Get it? I did a screwball. You cannot win against these guys. Seriously? Are you actually kidding me? What is going on in this game? Why all of a sudden the losses? We're going to get our first loss of the season with the Comeback Kids. We're going 0-1. Are you actually kidding me? I swear, I swear, guys, if they get another run, I'm not going to be happy. I'm not picking them off this time. I'm not being stupid. Thank God that's foul. I would have been so mad if it wasn't. This just goes to show you how bad I am. Nine to 4. Can we make a comeback? Is there a possibility of a comeback? Yes. Is it gonna happen? Fuck no. And the slaughter continues. Are you actually kidding me? Thank you. Oh, God, a yak. Are you serious? Let's get out of this inning. Let's just get out of this inning. Let's go to the top of the fourth. SpongeBob, I'm counting on you to hit this. Thank you, SquarePants. Thank you, SquarePants. Down by 5 now, guys. I want to blast this thing into outer space. Let me blast. What is wrong with you? Why don't you do what I want? Come on. I'm going to hit this thing so damn hard. Come on, let me hit it. Let me hit it. Good night. There's no way he's catching it. You. I got no words. Are you fucking kidding me? What is going on in this game? We're done. We lost this game big time. There's no way we're coming back with this. Yeah, you look sad now, don't you, Sponge? You should be looking sad. You're dumb. Patrick. So we're going to lose our first game of the season. First game of the season, and it's just complete awful. Oh, my God. Go ahead, score. I don't care. I don't care. Let him score. It's already, we're down by 5. There's no way we're coming back with a win. Yeah, you count that as a loss too. What is going on? I can't get any hits. Are you actually kidding me? Seriously, I'm giving them everything I possibly can, and they're still hitting everything. Oh, now you don't hit that, huh? You don't hit that? But you'll hit that. But you'll hit my curve. Well, this is it, guys. Top of the 5th. We're done. Let's make some play here. Some big play that'll get us out of this inning. Please get it. Don't get it. Don't get it. No. Are you kidding me? We're done. It's the final inning. We've lost this game. Patrick, please. I need your help, Patrick. You stupid moron. Well, never mind. Nope. You've redeemed yourself. Okay, that's good. You're good. You're good, Patrick. Never mind. Are you serious? Please be gone. Are you serious? We got one more out and we're done. We're history. Steal it. You might as well steal it. Might as well steal it while you still have the chance because it's over. It's all over. Game over. And the Sonic Booms have won their first game. We have lost our first game. We go 0-1 for the start of the season, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you guys later.